Hello Internet, here we have a 2000 series AutoDrill. This is a 4-inch stroke unit. Put air back here, it strokes forward up to 4 inches. Put air here, it retracts, and it moves pretty quick, except that this right here is a feed control, and on the customer's stand there'll be a stop just like this. So the drill will come forward real quick, hit that stop, take a nice controlled drilling process all the way as deep as they need to go or through the product, and reset when it retracts, so they can do that over and over again. Now this is a really cool unit because it's got a cool chuck on the front. This is an ER11 style collet chuck. You can see that here, but you see that weird looking spring thing? Right, so this is mounted on our J33 spindle. It's got some proc sensors for PLC use and all that, so it's going to be really quick and efficient. But what do you do when you need to change a drill bit? You walk up to a quick change. Hopefully you don't put your hand like that because you get a drill bit right through your hand, but go up to the quick change, take off the chuck, put a new chuck on with a new sharp drill bit, and there you go, quick change chuck on an AutoDrill 2000 series unit with an ER style collet chuck. And so this is something that only we provide, as far as I know. We would love to provide for you an AutoDrill similar to this, and anything that we can do to possibly support you would be great. Just remember, we spin you right round, baby, right round like a record, baby, make you efficient. Yeah, something like that. AutoDrill.com.